Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have a Google account and a GitHub account, then open Colab and stop there. Once done, choose File, right arrow Open Notebook, right arrow GitHub, and paste the repo path or owner/repo/path. You'll be prompted to authorize Colab to access GitHub. Grant the minimal scopes needed so forks and commits work. Make sure to pick the correct branch before opening the notebook, because Colab loads the file version from that branch immediately. You now edit and run cells in Colab like a normal notebook, and you can switch runtimes for GPU or TPU via runtime right arrow change runtime type. To commit changes, choose File, right arrow save a copy in GitHub, fill in a concise commit message, and select an existing branch or create a new one. This creates a commit directly. Once done, make sure to include dependency pinning, either a requirements txt in the repo or pip install lines in the first cell, to ensure others reproduce your environment. You finish by pushing your final changes and opening a pull request to merge into the main branch, explaining what changed and including test outputs or screenshots. If you need to roll back, use GitHub's revert or restore a previous notebook revision and reopen it in Colab. If syncing or authentication breaks, reauthorize Colab's GitHub access in the notebook dialog and clear browser cache or tokens. This typically resolves permission or rate limit errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.